Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got an interesting video for you today. So I'm going to show you how to do a color change on leather. Yeah. The reason for that is in the old days leather used to actually be dyed, but now even from the factory it's actually sprayed on. So the process is exactly the same as what you would get on a car body. So I'm going to show you some of the products. Yeah. The first thing we're going to do is actually clean up this leather. So when you're looking at restoring, we're going to actually do a color change today, but even if you wanted to just restore this, the damage here you can see is actually just in the actual color, not the leather itself. So first we're going to use an actual cleaner there. Once it's clean, we're going to mask it all up, and the color I'm going for is imola red. It's for an e46 M3. Once we've used that, this is the top coat, or the lacquer as it were. You can see it's matte. That's really important because on your German cars, on BMWs, Audis, it all has a matte finish. If it was something more, a Japanese car like Lexus, you might go for a satin finish, or if it's a Hyundai or a Kia, then you need a bit more of the shiny finish on there. So let's get started. I'm going to mask it all up, get it all cleaned, and then we'll go through the process. Yeah, I'll speed it up for you. Guys, you can see it's really smooth. All the dirt and everything's been taken off, and some of the colours come off, as you can see on that yellow cloth as well. So this is now ready for me to mask it all up and get it ready for the next stage. Right guys, we're all set up, good to go. It's all masked, it's all been cleaned up, it's dried. You can use an alcohol wipe if you want. I've just done that actually, and we're good to go with the colour. So we're going to go for imola red, like I was saying, let that dry, and then we're going to go straight onto this matte lacquer, which is a final finish. The difference is this isn't obviously just normal paint, this is made for leather, so it's a bit stretchy, so it won't crack or anything. If you obviously use normal paint, it's not going to work. So let's see how we get on. Guys, so you can see the finish is quite good. I know we've done it in a booth. You don't really have to do that. You can, if you're at home, you can do it quite well as well. These products, I'm going to actually put all the details. There's a company called Neura Products. I've done a few of these, and this is by far the best. So I'll put a link in the description. And just take your time doing it. In terms of maintenance, it's the same as any other leather. So you need to use a really light nail brush to clean it. It will get shiny, just like your normal leather would. And then when you clean it down, it will return back to a matte finish. So I'll put all the, like I said, a link in the description with all the products in there. Any comments, put them down below and I'll answer them. See you soon.